And today I will be teaching you basics of English language. How to write the examination, what to write during the examination. This is just the path lanes we will be showing you, and rest is your own work. There are the times where you speak and the other one answers you. The other one answers you. Subject and predicate में हमारे को आंसर होना जरूरी है. Question आना is not important, but the answer should be from the other side as well. A predicate can be single word, the verb, and the rest is can be a group of words made of the main verb along with the helping verb. For example, Arjun is going to recite. Going, अगर से देखना है तो going का मतलब है चलना. Recite का मतलब है पढ़ना या गाना या बोलना, राइट? लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है? अर्जुन इज गोइंग टू रिसाइट. गोइंग भी वर्ब आ रहा है और रिसाइट भी वर्ब आ रहा है. व्हाट इज माय क्वालिटी? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग, so it is my quality. It's your quality if you are getting it into your head. The adjective sense. Now what they say? The soldiers fought bravely. Soldiers fought bravely. The आ गया. The is the subject. Soldiers fought bravely will be the predicate. This kind of differentiation. Now more time we have. अच्छा बोर होने लगे तो कह देना प्लीज. The quality of a noun. Quality of a noun. Quality of noun can also be extended or modified by an adverb or another word that serves as an adverb. The word that modifies the word. Now talking about predicate. The predicate of sentence is a part that tells about the subject and verb in your case. So this will be your thing. के बाद में भी एड्रेस किया जा सकता है. But here आदिल बॉक्स. Subject भी आ गया, predicate भी आ गया, number of words going in. एक और आता है get out. Get out किसको भी बोल सकते हैं. इशारा भी कर दिया तो समझ लीजिएगा कि क्या कहा गया. अच्छा मैम took your class yesterday for English and the topic was parts of. These three makes a sentence. A sensual sentence, a sense that could make a conversation happening. That could make a conversation happening. Constant बोलो. Constant कहा मैंने. B C D F G H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y Z. Z. अच्छा Z. ओके? कहीं छूटा, कहीं पकड़ा कुछ? क्यों ऐसा इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल रहे? हो सकता है मैंने कुछ स्किप कर दिया हो. Just because this is my bread and butter, I can say very well. This is the main source of earning. That's why I am very prompt to that. But your future is in your hand. Whatever you want to do, you have to make sure you have the deep line and the basics clear. Basics clear. You have to stand, Anas. It's my class. Incorrect. Then when we say about colonel, you assume that the name will be from K. That is absolutely incorrect. The thing is, there are pronunciations which are mispronounced or misheard. Auditory functionals. So the very first step to learn English is promptly listen, then speak, then read and write. The output will be learning. The output will be learning. How will you be learning? Okay, whatever you will be hearing, you will be trying to speak out. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे घर में इंग्लिश बोली जाती तो मैंने अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना है. It doesn't matter. मेरे घर में भी इंग्लिश नहीं बोली जाती. For obvious reason, my parents are not from English medium, but I am from. So it makes a difference when we have the vocabulary exchange. Vocabulary exchange among own selves. जितना आप रीड करेंगे, जितना आप सुनेंगे, जितना आप बोलेंगे, उतनी ही परफेक्शनाइज आपकी इंग्लिश होगी. Determine things. Next is, what are sentences? What are sentences? Group of words. जैसे कि अगर से मैंने कहा it, they, were, right? Group of sentence, group of words, group of words which makes a sense.